To order a new card on Revolut, start by opening the Revolut app on your mobile device. If you do not have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is open, log into your account using your email address and password. If you have forgotten your password, you can reset it by tapping on the Forgot Password option and following the prompts. After logging in, tap on the card icon at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to the Cards section of the app, where you can view all of your existing cards. To order a new card, tap on the Add New Card option. You will then be asked to select the type of card you want to order, such as a standard card, a premium card, or a metal card. Each type of card has different features and benefits, so choose the one that best suits your needs. After selecting the type of card, you will be asked to confirm your address. Make sure that your address is up to date, as this is where your new card will be sent. You can edit your address if necessary by tapping on the Edit option. Once you have confirmed your address, review the terms and conditions of the card, and then tap on the Order Card option. Your new card will then be processed and sent to you in the mail. You can track the status of your card in the app by going to the Cards section and tapping on the card you ordered. It can take several days for your new card to arrive, depending on your location. Once you receive your new card, activate it in the app by going to the Cards section and tapping on the Activate option. You will then be able to use your new card to make payments and withdraw cash. It is a good idea to make sure that you have sufficient funds in your account to cover any fees associated with your new card. You can view the fees associated with your card by going to the Help section of the app and tapping on the Fees option. By following these steps, you can easily order a new card on Revolut and start using it right away.